Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be reacting to Dirty Loud Noises prank on Sleeping Grandma by the Angry Grandma. So yes you guys, hopefully this video will be quite funny guys like usual. The original video is down below and yeah. I don't think I've seen this one, hopefully I haven't. Yeah. Let's do it. Let's see what noises Jake pranks and you know, plays for her, so yeah.
Hey, what's up you guys? Real quick before the video starts, I just wanted to let you guys know to go check out our Facebook page and our Twitter page. Link is in the description for both of those. We post the most lit shit on there, don't we, Granny?
Fucking A, well, bet it.
So yeah, go check it out, give us a follow and a like, and yeah,
Alright.
I love you guys. I love you, Granny.
I love my cigarettes.
Well, what about me?
No.
Fuck you.
Fuck my ears, dude! Oh boy.
What the fuck was that?
Well.
5 minutes later.
Oh boy. What? Dude! Bro, what the fuck? Dude, I'm gonna get... Dude! I'm gonna get in trouble posting this, dude.
Jake! Get your ass in here now! Motherfucker! Jake!
Turn that off!
I'm telling you, I'm gonna beat the living hell out of you. God damn you.
Ew!
Put that shit on the damn fucking well. I can't get it off my fucking TV. Get your
Ew!
ass in here now!
Turn it off!
Can't even take a fucking nap around here or nothing else.
This...
That he's all time
Ugh.
doing something. Well, I'm gonna show him how to do something.
Oh shit.
This damn time, I'm gonna find me something, and I'm Jake.
It's still playing!
I'm gonna beat the motherfucking hell out of you. Put that goddamn shit on my damn TV, and I'm trying to sleep. Can't even fucking sleep around here.
What?
I'll beat the living hell out of you.
Yup.
What are you even
I
talking?
don't listen to that shit, and I don't watch that fucking shit.
You sure,
So
Granny?
you keep your fucking ass out of my room.
Granny, I have not a clue on what you're talking
I'll
about.
put a fucking lock on my fucking door.
Yeah. You might as well do that.
What are you talking about?
Get in here and you can hear the flapping jack-off sound.
Granny, I don't even hear anything.
Yeah, you probably turned it off, you motherfucker. You know how to do it without coming in the fucking room. You know how to get shit going.
Granny,
I'm telling you right.
Granny, I love you, but you're going senile. Ah!
Yeah, Granny, what are you watching on that TV,
I'll
huh?
beat his fucking brains out.
You've lost it. You
Oh.
lost your mind.
The hell out of you! You open that door, you motherfucker! You open that door, and
You
I'm gonna
lost
crack
it.
you with a handle. I ain't gonna hit you with the other end. I'm gonna hit you with a fucking handle. I'm gonna lay that damn big noggin of yours wide open. So don't you dare stick your head in this motherfucking room.
I'd listen, Jake. Oh shit!
15 minutes later.
Jake, just don't listen. Fucking Jake, I swear, dude. Like, get out of here. That's the life right there, Gran. Just sleeping my life away, bro. I like that. Just. Oh, not that, bro. No, bro. No, not that shit. Don't stream that. That shit's so nasty. Oh, Dude! Oh!
Oh, fuck, no. Get your damn life in here.
That is, dude, I shit's, dude, no.
Fuck, no. Oh, hell. Oh, fuck. Oh, hell no.
I don't blame you,
No.
dude. F that,
Jay, get your fucking knife.
dude.
Get in.
Why that?
What?
Look at that shit on my TV you got on my fucking TV.
What is this?
Girls eating shit.
It's disgusting, dude. It's so,
Kids
it's so
eating
nasty.
Shit like ice cream. I'm sitting here gagging my fucking ice off. You get that shit off and you get it off now.
It's disgusting.
TV.
That shit's nasty, dude.
Quit it.
Get in here and get it off.
Dude,
Fucking
why would, that's the nastiest
ice cream
shit.
cones.
Ugh.
Ugh.
It's fucking
Oh,
gross.
motherfucker. It is-
Dude.
Oh, that's sick. Oh, God.
That is, bro. That's the most
Stupid
disgusting
fucking
shit.
bitches. Ooh, there's something wrong with them.
Bro,
Shit.
that dude.
Popsicle.
Oh,
Oh, fuck.
I don't
Look
even.
at that turd on that one.
Oh.
my God. Ooh. Shit.
What's,
Sick.
what's wrong with you?
What do you mean? What's wrong?
You put that fucking shit back in.
Jake,
Damn
Jake,
bitch
that's
out of my
foul.
hand. I still see them on there eating that shit. TV.
It is off your TV. What are you on about?
Bro.
You keep doing that now, damn shit. You keep doing it, and keep doing it. And one of these days, I'll beat the fuck all out of you.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
Sure,
I'm not
Jake,
even
I'm sure you
The
don't.
house is haunted or something.
Outta
Put
here.
the fucking lock on my door, and I'll show you.
You need to
how
do that,
fucking
Gran,
haunted it is.
because that's
Your
foul
ass
as
won't be
fuck.
coming in here putting shit on my TV.
You need a hug. Give me a
No, no, hug, get out of here.
You have to like me.
Quit now.
Out of here with that hug.
Get the fuck out of my room.
He keeps coming in.
are you
Jake,
doing?
get out.
I'm going out and have me a fucking cigarette after that, all that.
I thought you were taking a nap.
Well, dude, after that,
Taking a
no.
nap, hell, I can't take a damn nap around here from your fucking ice. Get out of my room.
Fine.
Be gone when I get back.
Be gone. That is so foul, dude.
Do you want some ice cream?
Jake,
Fuck you.
Why?
Get the hell out of
chocolate ice cream.
Get the hell out.
Oh my, Jake. 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 Jake,
What
stop.
I like the most? Cake farts.
Oh, hell no. Oh, shit.
Bro, so nasty.
Why did I do this?
Dude.
Hey, bitch ain't got no damn drawers on.
Dude.
I think I'm nice and comfortable for this.
Oh,
Dude, Jake is
hey.
playing. Dude, Jake is playing the most foul shit on the internet, dude, right now, dude. That is no, dude. Stop, Jake. Stop.
Oh, my. Stupid
What do you
bitch.
say while we do it?
Oh, fuck no. Oh, hell no.
Why are you still watching it?
Jake!
Oh, oh. Ew.
Jake! You shitting in this cake!
What?
Jake, turn that fucking shit off!
Ew.
Ew.
That's disgusting.
I'll beat the. Get.
Look, Gran, look.
Fuck out of here.
My TV. Get it off now.
I turned it off.
I'm putting a fucking lock on my door.
What was she
Just
doing?
do it.
What was she
Coming
doing?
back in.
What was she?
That stupid bitch was sparting out a cake. She's grabbing it up her coochie and her eyes.
That looked like a perfectly good cake too.
Bro,
Probably fucking was, but
it
who
was.
in the fuck climbs up and straddles their ass on a damn cake? There's something fucking wrong with them.
What was she doing?
Turn that motherfucker off, cause you watched it enough. You know what she was doing. I don't have to explain shit to you. That's why you put it on my fucking TV.
Right.
Granny, please just tell me what she was doing to the cake.
She was fucking shitting on it.
That's disgusting.
Shit off.
I turned it off. I won't do no more to you.
I'm sure you won't.
But for real, what was she doing to the cake?
You want me to show you what she was doing?
What was she doing? Oh!
That's what she was doing
So
to
foul.
the fucking cake.
Granny!
What?
Gran! For real though, all joking aside, I do really sincerely apologize. But for real though, what was she
you're-
doing to the cake?
Bro, your apologies mean nothing.
She was doing to the cake. Well, I'm going to do all your bed later, motherfucker. I'm going to shit all over it. What?
What was she saying at the beginning of that video?
Oh, you know what I like most? Cake farts.
Bruh.
Yeah, cake farts my ass.
Hey,
Play-
I think it's time for me to tell you that's actually my girlfriend I've been seeing. That's what she does as a 9-to-5 job.
Oh, lovely.
Cake
Making the
farts.
big
Yeah,
bucks.
She goes to each store, buys a new cake, and
Yeah.
she toots on
I
it.
guess you provide the icing for them.
Yeah, I give her, she gives me the icing. Anytime I need icing for my cakes, she just
That's disgusting. That's kind of disgusting, bro. That's disgusting, dude. Oh, heck no. Dude, no. You're making the big bucks doing that, bro. Fuck, dude. That's disgusting. Ew.
I'll tell you
poops it
what.
out.
Tell you
Ew.
what. Don't bring the bitch around here
Why?
because she'll have something to dig out of her ice and it'll be my damn foot. Don't you never bring some bitch like that around me.
Why? She
You better not bring her home.
she has a good job. She has a.
I don't give a fuck if she's got a good job.
Yeah, the
doing
job
her
pays
ass and
big
everything
bucks.
else.
Later that same evening.
Graham?
Why did you scare the shit out of me?
Hey, before I go to bed, can I have a snack? Oh, you got Oreos!
You ain't getting them.
I can't have these Oreos?
No, hell no.
After what you did, F out of here.
Because I want them.
Oh, you got the Lays!
Put them back.
Well, listen.
I told you no. Cause you know why? You don't have to ask no fucking questions.
Right.
What did I do?
What do you mean, what you do?
Oh, you've been
Outta here.
You ain't done nothing. You've been the best little young'un I ever seen today. Motherfucker.
Alright, Granny, well, I love you.
Yeah, I look too.
Oh.
Shit! I'm definitely putting you in an old folks home now.
Get out of my fucking room.
Oh, shit. Jake, again.
Hey, it's Kelsey. What's up? I've got some major gas, as you can already hear.
Oh,
And,
wait,
we've
hold
got this
on.
lovely, beautiful
This video I think is familiar
pie
too.
here that I think I'm gonna fart into. Ooh, I got one coming right now.
Oh, fuck no. Jake! Jake! Jake!
Ooh. Feels nice in the butt.
going to kill you now.
Jacob! Jacob! Get the fuck in here!
Looks like whipped cream.
That's disgusting.
God, I'm gonna kill him.
I guess I have to sit down now.
I'm gonna kill
Ugh.
him, motherfucker. You watch a tape.
Okay.
Bro.
This is fun.
You open that door, you motherfucker, and I'm gonna knock your brains out. Jake!
See if I can get a fart out on this pie.
Jake!
Duh, I swear.
You better get the fuck in here.
Right off.
Ugh.
Son of a
Yeah. Taste this pie farts out of my butthole.
son of a bitch. If he fool, I'm gonna kill him. Mother. I'm gonna kill him.
Granny, what's wrong?
You are so
Ew! What are you watching? Oh!
I swear, dude, Jake.
Get your fucking eyes in here and you turn this shit off.
Ew!
Ew.
Off!
Dude.
She's pooping!
Jake, turn this off.
Be the most fun part I've ever done.
She says she thinks this is the
Get
most.
your fucking eyes in here and you turn that son of a bitch off.
Fucking Jake.
Now! I'll do it. I'll turn the
Oh.
damn thing off.
Oh, okay, that's a remote.
You
Okay, I thought it was something else.
1, 2, 3. Fuck it.
Ha.
I ain't watching that fucking shit.
Why not,
There
Gran?
ain't no fucking way.
Granny, what was going on in that video?
I don't give a shit. It was damn cake farts again, and I'm not watching that shit. I'm sick of it.
Bro.
You start that goddamn shit, I'm telling you, I'm locking my fucking door from now on.
Granny,
Yeah,
I
you
thought
should.
that-
I'm locking my fucking door from now on.
Granny, I thought that would
You
be.
won't be allowed in my fucking room.
Good.
Granny, I thought that would be.
Granny, I thought that
I thought that would be a perfect video that you could fall asleep to. It's
Bro,
like a
no.
nursery
Get,
rhyme
get.
for pooping
Bro, no.
cakes.
How about it?
Oh.
You lost it.
Jake, you've.
Good night.
Is it actually good night? Play some other shit. Chick. I swear. Dude, Jake be playing the most, like, the most foul shit on the internet right now, dude. Oh my god, dude. Those videos are... I swear, dude. I'd be pissed too, dude, if you have me watching those videos, bro. And I'm trying to sleep, dude. I'd be so angry, dude. I don't blame Gran for losing her shit, dude. Jake be doing too much, bro. This is like... That's crazy, dude. I swear. Jake, calm down and let Granny sleep, bro. Don't be playing none of this shit. Like, my goodness, bro. But, anyways, that'll be it for this video. If you guys ended up enjoying, you guys know what to do. Go show support to the Angry Grandma, you guys. The original video's down below. And without any further ado, I shall see you on the next one. And, bye-bye. Boop.